Is your Xumo TV not responding to the remote? Let's fix it. The most common causes are related to pairing, IR interference, and battery power. First, for Bluetooth remotes, ensure it's properly paired. Hold the pairing button for 5 to 10 seconds and follow on-screen prompts. For IR remotes, make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the Xumo device. No obstructions. Finally, and most commonly, replace the batteries with fresh AA alkaline batteries. Low voltage can cause weak signals. Let's move on to diagnosing and fixing these common issues. Start by checking for IR interference. LED lights or other devices can disrupt the signal. Try replacing LED bulbs with incandescent ones temporarily to test. If pairing is the problem, navigate to the Xumo app settings menu and repair the remote. If all else fails, try a device reset. Unplug the Xumo device for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Remember, update your Xumo app for the latest fixes and self-help tools for diagnosing problems. Proactive battery replacement every 6 to 12 months can prevent most issues.